Here's the latest on Xtalks.com. Avocados from Mexico has launched a new multi-area artificial intelligence platform called Avocado Nation. The platform gives avocado fans a place to access exclusive videos, get fitted for avocado-themed sportswear, and for the first time be able to receive rewards for purchasing avocados through their new loyalty program. Hello, I'm Marina Wolsey, multimedia editor and webinar moderator for Xtalks.com, and welcome to this edition of Xtalks Vitals. Our featured webinar for this episode is Naturally Functional Flax, Formulating Clean Label Foods for Today's Consumer. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar. On Avocado Nation, fans can interact and receive personalized Avocado from Mexico content via 3 different ways. First up is Avocado Nation Studios, which has a compilation of over 70 videos to choose from. The videos include series like Avocado Land, which is a 6-episode documentary that explores the orchards where avocados are grown to the nutritional benefits of avocados. Second is an avocado shopping network. This was a massive success as a result of the brand's 2020 Super Bowl advertisement. The Avocado Shopping Network provides users with the opportunity to purchase from an avocado-themed sportswear collection. Third is an Avocado Rewards program, which is a new loyalty program where avocado consumers can gain reward points with every Avocados from Mexico purchase by submitting their shopping receipts online. Avocados from Mexico is an example of how a produce company has entered a sphere that engages with consumers and enhances their purchasing habits towards a brand that can actually interact with. These inventive food marketing practices have paid off for avocados from Mexico, as avocado sales have drastically increased in the United States. Subscribe to the Xtalks YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below, and visit xtalks.com for more information on this story and our featured food webinar for this episode, Naturally Functional Flax, Formulating Clean Label Foods for Today's Consumer. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar.